I give a request to our HOD sir, CS department HOD sir. Sir, please give this opportunity to me to address how a real-time industry they are expert as a fresh engineers in a real-time entity. Then like, after 2 to 3 days, they are discussed with our college management and principal sir. They again called to me, sir, okay, which days you are available? We are ready to give you a seminar or workshop on the students like that. So once again, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving the opportunity to me, principal sir, Jody sir. Okay, right. Now I give small introduction about me. After that, we are going to session. In the session, we will discuss about lot of the things. Okay, right. Myself, I am Aravind Raj. I have 10 plus years of experience in this field. Not only for trainer, I have only 5 years. Past 5 years only, I give a training to the students. Still now, I am working in a different corporates as a technical trainer and as well as solution provider also. Okay, right. When I started my career, I was a desktop support engineer. Then only I became a step-by-step improvement of my real-time IT exposure. Like after that, I promoted as a network engineer, then Windows Server admin, Linux Server admin, then cloud. So now I give a training to the students in a cloud platform and as well as working as a consultant, okay, technical consultant in some different corporates. Because of nowadays you all are fresher, right? The company what they have did, they are recruited to you, right? After that, they are giving an opportunity to you. They are provide the training. Okay, nobody is ready to work without any small experience to in real time, right? Are you accept it? Say yes or no? So that's why they are recruited us because of we are working in real time industry and as well as how to expose the realty industry to our students and as well as corporate trainers. Okay, now I give n number of students, more than 1,500 students I trained in a various technologies like as a networking, Windows Server, Linux Server, then cloud virtualization platforms now. Okay, right. Then now I am traveling all over Tamil Nadu. I already saw n number of colleges from Chennai to Kanyakumari. I traveled every week. I travel 81 colleges. Not only for one day session, it is a purely 40 days session because I am a retired certified engineer and as well as AWS certified solution architect and AWS Academy certified trainer. Okay, by using the certification values very important too in our IT industry. Whatever you are learned doesn't matter, but that is a very important thing. Apart from that, if you go with any IT industry, you are working with that. After that, you should be updated yourself. Then only you are stably working in IT industry. It is, or else it is not possible. So certification is mandatory, but the certification without knowledge, you get the certification. It is also not valid. For example, you got some certificate. At the end of this your curriculum, sorry, end of your profession, you got one certificate. You directly go to show the certificate in any IT companies. They are ready to recruit you without any questions. Say yes or no. What they are expect you? Huh? What they are expect you? Knowledge. Okay. They ask some question to you. If you are ready to give the answer, then what will happen? Definitely you will get a job. Or else then you already certified engineer. Don't forget it. They are asking some question about the certification. We are not ready to give that answer. Then what happened then? They rejected with some questions. You told you are a certified engineer, right? Okay? This certification told all the things. This is from this certification they are got from this product like that. But you not give the answer on that product. Then how you did the? Then how you did the certificate? Say yes or no. So here, what are the certifications? Also mandatory. Before that, knowledge is mandatory. Okay. If without certification you have a knowledge, they are ready to provide a job. But if you get a certification without knowledge, no one is ready to give a job to you.
Are you ready? If you are a entrepreneur of one company, are you ready to give this use case of any job opportunities to your employee? Say yes or no. Oh. So how can we expect from others? We are not ready to provide this use case, right? Then how can we expect from others? Huh? So, but you have a bright future because as a fresher, you should know just what is what. Really, because of past 5 years, I trained n number of students, and n number of students are placed in most of the well-settled company also. Okay, just what is what you should know. Just what is enough for fresher. They are ready to recruit. After that, they are provided training. Maybe in the training is nothing but it is under propagation period, right? You know very well. What in the propagation period, what they do? Anyone knows? In the propagation period, what they do? You don't know. Like for example, if any one company come to your college campus, then they are recruited you. Okay, that time they are releasing an offer letter. For example, this person is selected as this position for this company. Only they are not mentioned this person, he or she is a permanent worker, like that, right? Maybe in a propagation period, you are working as a trainee. In this part, they are providing a training to you. Maybe which profession they are recruited, that kind of expert will train to you. Okay. In this case, each and every day you have a task, daily task, weekly task, monthly task. If you have performed well, then only they are provided permanent. After 3 to 6 months, based on our company policy, they have some sort of propagation period are there. Okay, so until you are working with the training, okay, like in our meaning it is called apprentice, right? Apprentice. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, after that you performed well and you are ready to learn some things, ready to work with on the project. Now they are give you a salary hike and as well as permanent job to you. Or else it won't be. It's not the exact thing not happen in our IT industry. So maybe before that you should know about what is what. After you get a job, definitely you will update your knowledge. Then only we are stably go with our IT industry. Nowadays, our IT industry we don't know when it will goes to boom, when it comes down to the boom, right? I think last 6 months you know very well n number of medias they have showed n number of people are fired out, right? Yes or no? Right? So we don't know when the IT industry is grown, when the IT industry is low, but we should have a knowledge when no one is rejected us. So we will discuss about later what are the things are needed and what are the job opportunities are available that apart from the your thinking, all of the things we will discuss about during this session. Okay, thank you.